Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best crystal pool cleaning tablet is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine and inviting swimming pool, ensuring that every dip is a refreshing and hygienic experience, free from the worries of algae, bacteria, and cloudy water, allowing you to fully enjoy your aquatic oasis without constant chemical adjustments or the fear of an unbalanced pool. Number 5. Clorox Pool&Spa Super Water Clarifier. Tired of dull, hazy pool water? This concentrated solution effectively clears up cloudiness, leaving your pool water sparkling and inviting. It's ideal for restoring the clarity and sparkle of your pool. Transform your water into a crystal clear oasis for a refreshing swim. Our formula combines small particles that make filtration easier. This ensures even tiny particles are captured, resulting in cleaner water. Apply this product weekly as part of your routine maintenance. It's perfect for ensuring a consistently clean swimming environment, even before or after a party. Test your pool like an expert anytime with the Clorox Pool app. Get personalized product and dosage recommendations to solve common swimming pool problems. What we like. This product is designed to tackle cloudy and hazy water, restoring sparkle. It combines small particles for easier filtration, ensuring a cleaner pool. If you're looking for a quick fix to dull water or need a reliable weekly maintenance solution, this is a great choice. It's especially useful for getting your pool party ready. What people say. These tablets are very effective at keeping my pool water crystal clear and free of algae. The tablets dissolve slowly and provide continuous sanitation for my pool. I appreciate that these tablets are individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and easy to handle. Number 4. U.S. Pool Supply Floating Chlorine Tablet Dispenser. Introducing our floating chemical dispenser, designed to make maintaining your pool or spa simple. It ensures your water is always ready for enjoyment. This dispenser features an adjustable control ring for perfectly balanced chemical delivery. You can easily set it to meet your pool's specific needs. With its generous capacity, it holds up to 3 pounds of chlorine or bromine tablets. This means fewer refills and more time enjoying your clean pool. Its unique collapsible design makes storage and setup a breeze. Enjoy a clean, contaminant-free pool with minimal effort. Keep your pool or spa free from foul odors and contaminants with this essential tool. It's ideal for ensuring your water is always pristine and inviting. We stand by the quality of our product. This dispenser comes with a full 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This dispenser offers a convenient collapsible design and adjustable chemical release. It's ideal for maintaining a consistent level of sanitation in your pool or spa. If you prefer a no-fuss way to keep your water balanced and ready for use, this is a solid option. What people say. The tablets are effective in keeping the pool water clear and clean. They dissolve slowly, providing continuous sanitation for several days. The product is easy to use, just drop a tablet into the skimmer basket. Number 3. U.S. Pool Supply Floating Chlorine Dispenser. Introducing our floating chemical dispenser, designed for ultimate convenience. Keep your pool or spa water perfectly balanced with minimal effort. This 5-inch diameter floater features a collapsible tank. It conveniently holds up to 5 1-inch chlorine or bromine tablets. Achieve balanced chemical delivery with the adjustable control ring. You can easily customize the release rate to suit your needs. Ensure your pool or spa is always ready for enjoyment. It effectively keeps your water free from unwanted contaminants. Enjoy crystal clear water all season long. This dispenser makes maintaining your pool or spa simpler than ever before. What we like. This option provides a collapsible design and adjustable chemical delivery, perfect for smaller pools or spas. It's designed to keep your water free from contaminants and odors with minimal effort. If you have a smaller water feature or are looking for a compact solution for balanced chemical delivery, this dispenser is a great fit. What people say. The tablets are very effective at keeping the pool water clear and clean. Easy to use, just drop 1 tablet in the skimmer basket and it dissolves over time. These tablets provide long-lasting sanitation, reducing the need for frequent chemical additions. Number 2. U.S. Pool Supply Deluxe Chlorine Floater Dispenser. Introducing the Deluxe Pool Chlorine Floater Dispenser. It's designed for easy and effective pool maintenance, ensuring your water is always clean and inviting. Never guess when to refill again. This dispenser features a convenient pop-up indicator that lets you know exactly when it's time to add more tablets. It holds a large capacity of chlorine or bromine tablets, and the adjustable flow control ring ensures balanced chemical delivery for optimal water balance. Keep an eye on your pool's temperature with dual thermometers on each side. They accurately measure up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, helping you maintain the perfect swimming environment. This robust dispenser is built for durability and comes with a full 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This dispenser stands out with its integrated dual thermometers and a pop-up refill indicator, offering enhanced convenience and control. It also boasts a large capacity for various tablet sizes. If you want to monitor your water temperature while ensuring you don't run out of sanitizer, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This product is a great value and works wonders for my pool. I love how easy these tablets are to use and they keep my pool crystal clear. The tablets dissolve slowly and evenly, providing continuous sanitation for my pool. Number 1. Essential Values Swimming Pool and Spa Stain Remover, 2 pounds. Tired of stubborn stains ruining your pool's appearance? Our powerful formula is designed to effectively remove rust and tough stains, restoring your pool's beauty. Get the most out of your pool cleaning routine. This solution is optimized for efficiency, treating up to 20,000 gallons with just 2 uses per container. It's versatile for pools, spas, and hot tubs. Enjoy a worry-free swim with our gentle pool powder. It's formulated without harsh chemicals, maintaining water balance naturally while being safe to use with other pool treatments. Achieve crystal clear water with minimal effort. Our natural, citric-based cleaner is easy to measure and apply, targeting stains and debris for a pristine pool all season long. Make your pool the envy of the neighborhood. This powerful cleaning powder transforms your pool into a sparkling oasis, tackling stubborn stains effectively and keeping it looking its best. Experience the difference of domestic quality. Our potent cleaner is crafted with premium, citric acid-based ingredients right here in the USA, ensuring it removes the toughest stains on all surfaces. What we like. This cleaner is a powerful yet gentle, citric-based solution that effectively removes tough stains like rust. It's compatible with all pool systems and surfaces, including vinyl liners and fiberglass. If you're looking for a natural, non-harsh chemical alternative to restore your pool's pristine appearance, this is the product you need. What people say. These tablets work great and keep the pool crystal clear. The tablets dissolve slowly and last a long time, providing continuous cleaning. Easy to use, just drop them in the skimmer and they do the rest. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.